Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. My name's Nyla and today I'm showing you a beautiful 1996 Chevrolet Silverado. It is a GMT400. It's got the big Corvette motor inside, so it sounds real good when you turn that key on the engine. Nice rims and tires, nice paint job. This is just a really good looking truck. It's about 162,000 miles on it, but as you know, if you maintain these vehicles, they last for a very long time. Just wanting to do a quick little walk around so you can see how beautiful this truck is. It is automatic transmission, 2-door. Got a nice clean cab. We've got a very nice, well-kept interior, cloth seats, stock, but just in great condition. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and get that engine started so you can take a look at that. We'll take it for a spin down the road and then I'll show you the undercarriage. Stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna take the 1996 for a ride. As we can see, there's no check engine lights on, anything like that. Radio does work. AC works. So we're cooking with gas on this one. Automatic transmission. Sounds so nice. Definitely got a little something under the hood. Takes that dip in the roads very well. Just a smooth rider. This could be an everyday driver for sure. Changing gears nice and smooth. Do a little brake check up here. Nice, strong, solid brakes. No pulling at the wheel. Everything we like to see. Alright, I'm going to swing it around, get it up on the hoist, and we'll take a look at the underneath.